apart from the technicalities involved, I mean, there is a moral issue involved. Just like a pregnant woman cannot claim to be a little pregnant, you cannot claim to have a little freedom. It's either freedom all the way or no freedom at all. If he is going to intervene, or his government is trying to intervene, I suspect the timing of this sudden wake-up call that there's content on the net that is harmful, that is inflammatory, that's going to incite violent acts. The timing is definitely something that is very suspect, given the elections coming up, given the Anna Hazare factor, and given the fact that finally people in government seem to have woken up to the fact that today, like it was said earlier, this is the single most formidable platform for change and for change of opinion, and that the young depend increasingly on it. We've seen what happened at Tahrir Square. They're perhaps trying to preempt any such thing happening in India. Well, it's too late to do that. You cannot play Big Brother, and you cannot play Cyber Cop, and you cannot hope to go ahead with this kind of restrictions when already we have tasted freedom, we have tasted blood. You cannot compare the situation to China.
You're questioning the timing.
The young in India today.
You're questioning the timing.
The timing is highly suspect.
Mr. Keshav Rao.
And I'm also saying, if it's to protect the privacy of just one individual in India or 10 individuals in India who are sensitive to the kind of news that's out there in cyberspace, that is again completely a very, very prejudiced and a very narrow-minded approach to take to a very complex situation.
Mr. Keshav Rao, a large part of the presentation made by Kapil Sibal to these IT companies comprised images of Sonia Gandhi, the Prime Minister, which Kapil Sibal said were defamatory, derogatory. He said such content is not acceptable. Shobha Dey questioning the timing, linking it with the Anna agitation. Is it really the fear of a deeply unpopular government? The things are being said online. Nasty things are being said. Is that why you're concerned?
Rahul, should we first delink our obsession from that of the Annas or our elections? Let Shobha also know about it. We know how to handle elections. We have been doing this for decades. And we know how the people know how to handle Anna. If it is good, we'll take it, let him do his job, and enlighten the people. We'll do our job of passing the laws. Now, let that be over. But let us be social about social networking. Please, what exactly is the new about it all? We have today Delhi IT Act. We have today press laws, which Shobha Dey would certainly know all about it. We know about the charter. When we are talking about all that is being printed, after all, I am one of those who have fought tooth and nail from the front as far as the censorship of media was concerned in the emergency time. So one need not tell me what exactly is censorship. Today what we are trying to do is, when we are talking about the press, we know there is an organization. We are talking about radio, we know there is an organization. We are talking about the TV, we know there is an organization. Now in a social network, it is an individual. Now what we are all that trying to do is, we are not trying to censor his thoughts. We are trying to screen it, or at least reminding him as a self-regulatory, please think it over, because it's your individual view.
Okay.